Nothing better than starting your Easter weekend with an egg and avo brunch and a huge bucket of tea. Oh boy, oh boy. I don't even know how I managed to get all of this from the shopping center because it is so heavy. But anyway, good afternoon. It is Saturday today. It's the Easter weekend. Ours started yesterday actually because in the UK we get Friday off as well. Yesterday I was just chilling, recovering from the last couple of weeks because it's been a bit crazy in Sandra land. I just had a lot of stuff to sort through. But today I managed to film a couple of videos and then I went shopping because tomorrow we're having a little non-traditional but still Easter lunch with Stella and Jonathan, and I'm gonna make something sweet and something salty, and I'm also gonna make some salad that I'm gonna bring with me, and I need to make myself some dinner as well because I'm absolutely starving because I skipped lunch. So I'm gonna have a very early dinner, but yeah, I'm gonna basically put everything in the fridge now or in the cupboards and start cooking. By the way, apart from food, I also got some replacement batteries for my kitchen scales. I really hope it's just the batteries that are dead, otherwise I'm screwed if this is not gonna work when I change it, because I need to make some sweet stuff tonight. And I also got myself a little hand mixer. Long story short, I had a 3-in-1 mixer. I still have it. But one of the heads has gone missing in this flat. We cannot find it anywhere. I'm guessing someone must have thrown it away accidentally because it is nowhere to be found. And the head that is missing is the actual like mixer head that you need for baking, which is really annoying. I couldn't find a replacement one online and I've been stalling to buy a new mixer, but I need it today, otherwise my arm's gonna fall off, so it happened. I'm gonna change the batteries now in the scales and hope it works. Oh, by the way, Sandra and her random purchases. I'm not sure why I bought this, but I saw this plate and I fell in love with it. It looks like a galaxy and I just thought it would be really Instagrammable. Enough with the babbling now, let's change the batteries. Does this even come out? Come on, I really need this scale. Woo, okay, gone. I swear changing the batteries is harder than building a freaking closet from IKEA. Why does this not come out? I feel so useless right now. Have the battery. Now pray this works. Oh, yes! Thank God! For a second I thought it wouldn't be working. But look, it works! Yes! So happy right now. Also, why is this so dirty? Anyway, I'm not gonna need it right away because I'm first gonna make something savory and I don't need a scale for that. I'm gonna show you how to make it. I'm gonna make this prosciutto rolls. The only thing you need is puff sheet pastry and some prosciutto and an egg. So let's do this. You take the puff pastry apart. Actually, I don't need this. I thought there was gonna be more of it. There's not gonna be a lot of rolls coming out of this. Anyway, what you do is you kind of put a prosciutto on top. Okay, so this is it. And then what you do is you like roll it back. I wonder if I can maybe do 2 rolls out of this. So just slice it in half. I think that will work. So this is gonna be 1. I think this is better. Yeah, 1 roll and then the second one. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut them. I think maybe I should have put them in the freezer for a bit so that they would be easier to cut, but I think that's gonna be fine as well. This is supposed to be like a circle, but it's more of a bit of a mess, let's say that. So this is now on a baking tray on some baking paper, and now what you do is you beat 1 egg and put it over, obviously. Okay, that's done. And now I'm gonna put it in the oven on 180 degrees. And I think I'm gonna try, wow, I can't see anything. I think I'm gonna try first for 10 minutes and see how they look like. I just took this out of the oven. It was inside for about 15 minutes and I would say it's done. So I'm gonna transfer this to the tray and do the second batch, and then in the meantime I'm gonna start making the apple tea cake. The first thing I'm gonna do is separate 4 egg yolks from egg whites. Now I'm gonna make snow out of this, so I'm basically just gonna beat the egg whites, but first I need to wash my new mixer. Now I'm gonna add in 50 grams of sugar, and I'm gonna continue mixing this so that I get like a cream consistency. In this other bowl we now have the egg yolks that I'm gonna mix in with 200 grams of butter, 150 grams of icing sugar. Then I'm gonna also add 200 grams of plain flour and some baking powder and this creamy snowy mixture from bowl 1, and I'm basically gonna mix everything together. By the way, I didn't find any icing sugar in the shop. I don't know why, because I literally went to the biggest supermarket ever, but I didn't have any, so I'm gonna use white castor sugar instead, and fingers crossed it's gonna be alright. So this is the mixture. Now I'm gonna pour it in this little tray, and then I'm gonna grate 4 apples and sprinkle them on top, and that's it. That's gonna go into the oven for 40 minutes, I think 45 minutes on 180 degrees. I just really hope that the fact that I didn't put the icing sugar in will be fine. Woo! Oopsie daisy. Also, I feel like this is supposed to go like higher up, like I should probably have double the dough. So I'm not sure what to do now. Crisis averted. I found another tray and I'm gonna put it in here. I'm just really making myself unnecessary mess in the kitchen. It's like I want to do shitloads of washing up today. I don't, but I behave like I want to. Here we go, in the oven. So my apple tea cake is now done as well. Well, I hope it's done. I'm not sure how it tastes like because I'm gonna leave it to cool down for a bit, and then I'm gonna cut it and transfer it in this tray along with the prosciutto rolls. Now I'm gonna go have my dinner and watch something really exciting. I'm in my PJs. I'm about to go take my makeup off and watch The Greatest Showman. Finally, I've been dying to see this movie for about 3 months. I'm absolutely obsessed with the soundtrack. I know every single song by heart, but I haven't actually watched the movie yet. I really hope I won't be disappointed by it and that it's gonna be another La La Land kind of situation, which turned out to be one of my favorite movies with like one of my favorite soundtracks. I've watched it so many times already, but yeah, we'll see. Now I'm gonna go watch it and sing along all night long because I'm home alone and I can do that. Dreams are keeping me awake, a million dreams of the world we're gonna make. Why don't we rewrite the stars? Maybe the world could be ours tonight. Good morning. It is Easter Sunday today, but let's start with my thoughts on The Greatest Showman that I watched last night. So, I liked it, but I didn't love it. I don't know why. I'm still obsessed with the soundtrack, but in the movie there was something missing for me. I don't know, I just didn't connect with it as much as I do with some other movies, I guess, and I expected that I would. But yeah, it's still a great movie, so if you haven't watched it yet, do give it a watch. I actually did rewatch my favorite scene about 3 times. The Rewrite the Stars one with Zac Efron and Zendaya. So yeah, that one was really good. But movie as a whole, I don't know, there was something missing for me. But like I said, still a really good movie. Now I have to head off to get to my Easter lunch. I just made some salad and I'm gonna take the stuff that I baked yesterday with me as well. I was supposed to go to Stella's place because she moved to her new flat on Friday, but she doesn't have enough chairs in the kitchen. So we moved the Easter party to Jonathan's place, who also moved like a couple of weeks ago to his new flat. So yeah, that's what's happening today. I'm not sure if I'm gonna vlog or not. I think they're both fine with being on camera, so I might. So yeah, I'll see you there. We started with, what is this, Jonathan?
Not really sure. I just picked everything I had in the kitchen.
Okay.
Bread pesto, French cheese, like stinky one, olive oil, and then spices on top.
Good, good.
We don't have time to grill it, but
it's fine.
We'll have it that way.
And then we're making the cheers, and look at my my wine. Here's the main deal. We have the salad and Stella's famous chicken with potatoes, some tzatziki and bread, and we're all gonna feel very pregnant after this. Something crazy is happening now and I need to document it so that no one can back off. Also, why am I looking really red? Anyway, we have decided to search for the cheapest places to go to in the next couple of months, I guess.
Yeah.
And we're gonna write them down on the list, and we're gonna go to the place that we pick out randomly. So that's what's happening right now.
Yeah, before Stella backs out. So.
Yeah, before Stella backs out again. Okay, so we have the date. Oh no, that's not the right one. The 29th of June to the 2nd of July, from London to everywhere. Search flights.
Let's start with the first 5 countries.
Okay, the first 5 countries are Germany, France, UK, Ireland, Netherlands. Let's do top 3 from the top 5. Yeah.
So, do I go Düsseldorf, Kiel, Nuremberg?
Düsseldorf, Cologne, Nuremberg, yeah.
We're not going to include UK, are we?
Let's not go to Manchester for holidays. Okay, next is France.
Paris!
Grenoble.
Oh, yes.
Toulouse.
Toulouse-Lautrec, yeah.
Toulouse what?
And Lyon.
But why Düsseldorf came before Frankfurt? We end up going somewhere we don't want to go, but anyway.
We can,
funny part of it.
but we can still change it if we're like, oh, like, no. Okay, we're going to a shitty place. We're going to a shitty place.
It's a single draw and that's it.
That will be nagging all the way.
Oh god, we're gonna be dealing with the hangry travel version. Ireland, Dublin,
Obviously.
Shannon,
And
Knock. Don't even know what that is. No, Knock. But he doesn't even have a picture. Can we skip that one? And then the next one's Cork.
Let's go to Cork.
What the hell is Knock?
Okay.
Next is Netherlands.
Eindhoven. Yeah, there's a football team.
The football expert.
Okay. Eindhoven.
Yeah.
Amsterdam.
Yeah.
Groningen.
Yeah. But these are quite expensive.
How much?
From 130 on.
Sandra, we're going on a budget.
Then we need to cross them out.
Okay, what is go?
What's the budget?
No more than 60 pounds both ways.
How much?
No more than 60 pounds both ways.
Okay, so that's okay. Stella, what is our selection now?
1 second. So we have Shannon in Ireland, Grenoble, Paris, France, Copenhagen, Billund. Where was Billund? I think Ireland? No.
No.
Was it the Netherlands?
I think so.
Yeah.
No. I think it was in Denmark.
We don't even know where we're going.
No. I don't know.
Eindhoven in Netherlands, Groningen, where's that?
Where?
Yeah, that's definitely Netherlands, I think.
Groningen.
Yeah, I think that's
Germany.
Netherlands.
Yeah.
Cork, Ireland, Toulouse in France, Düsseldorf, Germany, Kiel, Germany, and Luxembourg.
Okay.
Okay, I'll follow now. I'll bring
I'm keeping my fingers crossed for Copenhagen. Stella too. But we're gonna go wherever we pick.
You need the song as well. Oh no, you might have copyright.
That's a sure a YouTube friend who wants to put the music on, and he's like, oh no, you're gonna get copyrighted. Good thinking.
You're choosing, not me.
Okay, yeah, Mario. So, anywhere apart from Copenhagen, yeah?
No! Copenhagen! Please! Can you make it happen, please?
Okay, yeah, I do.
And if it's shit, who's gonna play?
We're not backing out of this, yeah?
No. We're doing it. We're
just making sure. I'm not pointing the finger, I'm just like
Just casually saying.
Yeah.
Shake, shake, shake. Okay. You can choose.
Oh god, the moment of truth. Copenhagen.
Okay.
Throw it away if it isn't.
It's like magic. It's this one.
Oh god.
And we have... Oh my god.
Oh god.
Oh my god.
What is it?
Copenhagen.
Really? Is it?
I'm not joking.
I'm literally so happy because I want to go to Copenhagen so bad.
We could have avoided this whole thing with Copenhagen. Seriously?
You see, that's, what is it called? Manifesting.
Yeah.
I manifested that.
Oh.
Yes, we're going
this one
to Copenhagen. I'm back from our Easter lunch. I had an amazing time. I'm still pregnant with triplets. But yeah, we actually did end up booking flights for Copenhagen. So I'm going there at the end of June, beginning of July, which I'm really excited about. But now I have to clean up my room because it's a complete mess. I'm not gonna show it to you because I'm actually embarrassed. So that's on the agenda for the rest of the night. And then I'm probably gonna go to bed, watch some TV shows, and yeah, try to sleep. So I'll talk to you tomorrow. So it is now the next weekend, and when I was editing the vlog, I noticed that, of course, I forgot to wrap it up. It turned out to be quite long, so I'm not gonna make it even longer. So I'm just gonna say to you, thank you so much for watching. If you want to keep up with my upcoming adventures, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button down below as well, because apparently the subscribe button is just useless these days. So you'll have to click the bell button down below as well in case you don't want to miss my videos. But yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys next week with another video, and there should also be a little life update video coming up soon. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and I'll see you soon. Bye!
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking.